Hello and welcome back to Blossom Themes YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to configure the event page template and event settings. For the demonstration, I'm using the Seva theme. So the design might be slightly different because depending upon the theme you are using, the settings and design might differ. But the process to create the event page template where all your events will be listed is similar. So let me show you how to do that. If you go over to the demo page of the Seva WordPress theme, I have added the link in the description box below if you want to check out the demo page of Seva WordPress theme. And if you go over to landing pages, you will find there is the events page. So if you click on the events option, you will land on the events page. Let me show you how you can easily configure the events page. So for this, you will have to log into your WordPress dashboard. I am already logged into my WordPress dashboard. So let's go over to our dashboard. The first thing that you have to do is you have to create the events page. So go to pages, click on add new. Give the title as events. Now from the right hand side, from under page attributes, from under templates, you have to select event list page. Click on publish. So our events page has now been created. Next, we will have to create and add the events. After this, let's go back. Now go over to events and click on add new. With this option, you will be able to create and add new events to your events page. Let's start by adding the title. Add in your event details. Come down. You can add in additional event information into the respective boxes here. So you can just add in the start date. Let's select October and let's select a random date. You can also add in the end date over here. I have selected a random date here as well. Then add in the start time. Then you have to add in the end time. Add in the location. You can add in the organizer and Google Map iframe if you wish to. Then at last, you have to add in the button title and add in the button URL to the page or the post where you want your visitors to land on when they click on the button that will display after you have added the button title and the button URL. Let's add in the button title first. Now to add in the featured image, go to Event, click on Set Featured Image, select the image of your choice, click on Set Featured Image. Now click on Publish. So your event has been created. If you open the link in the new tab, this is what your event looks like. If you want to take a look at what your event page looks like, okay, let's go back to our dashboard once again. Go to pages, all pages, and we are going to view our events page. I'm going to open the link in the new tab. So this is what our events page currently looks like. And this is the event that we have just created. Let's go back, go to events once again. So this is the only event that I have created. Let me pause the video, create a few more events, and I will continue with the video. As you can see from the screen, I have created a few more events. Next, before we go over to Customizer, we are going to add the events page to our menus. So for that, let's go to Appearance, click on Menus. So first of all, you'll have to select primary menu, then select events, click on add to menu. And here the event page is now added to our menu. click on Save menu. Now we will access our customizer. Right from the appearance, go to Customize. I'm going to open the link in the new tab. Now we will go to Event Settings and we will go to Events. So here are a bunch of options under Event Settings. We will configure this now. The first option is to select a featured event for event template. So let's select a featured event from one of the events that we have already created. From the drop-down option, let's select the first one. And here, the featured event is now displaying right on top of our event page. From here, we can change the featured event subtitle, which is now showing as featured event. You can change it to anything else that you wish to. Let's change it to highlighted event, or just add in any text or subtitle of your choice. You can also change the featured event button label from more details to anything else that you wish to. So whatever you type in here will be displayed in the button over here. Next are the upcoming event settings. So these are the upcoming events. You can change the section title of upcoming events from here. Remove it, then add in the section title of your choice. The title that you choose will be displayed here. I'm going to change the section title back to the way it was before. You can also add in the section description if you wish to, which will be displayed right underneath the section title. And now it is showing here. Next, you can select events per page from here. So currently 4 events are selected. You can just slide this button over to increase the number of events that will be displayed per page, and you can decrease. Or slide this button under to decrease the number of events that will be displayed per page. You can also select your events order from the ascending or the descending order. As you can see, the events are now displaying in descending order. I will select it back to ascending, but you can go ahead and make your preference. Next, you can change the button label from more details to anything else that you wish to. Next option is past event settings. If you enable the toggle here, you will be able to show the past events in your event page. So just enable the toggle. And here all of your past events will be displayed. If you want to change the section title, you can change it from here. Currently it is showing as past events. You can add the title of your choice, and similarly you can also add in the section description of your choice. From here, you will be able to display the number of events that you want to display per page. So you can either decrease or you can increase your events per page. From here, you can sort your events in ascending or descending order. I'm going to set the order as ascending, but you can go ahead and select the order of your choice. Next is the button label. You can change it from more details to anything else that you wish to. Just remove the label that is already here. Then you have to type in the label of your choice. I'm going to change it back to the way it was before. After you are finished with all of the settings, go ahead and publish it. Now let's go to our events page that we had opened earlier. Now give it a refresh. And you will see the event page is now displaying on our site. And this is what it looks like. So that was it about the events page. If you have any questions, you can drop them down in the comment section below, or you can also reach out to our support team. I have added the link in the description box below. Also, please make sure you follow us on all of our social media channels for more updates. The links are in the description box. And it would be great if you would let us know what other types of videos would you like us to create. Your feedback would mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.